Hey all, Alex here with TechCorner, here to walk you through how you can go about uninstalling a program from your Windows device. And there's two ways. Actually, there's three ways. So the first way I'm going to show you is you can just type in the name of the program, like for example OneNote. You can right click on it and you can hit uninstall. And these applications are usually applications that are installed from the Microsoft Store. Now the second way is you can go to settings here. And then from here, we're going to go to applications, apps here, and then installed apps. And from here, you can go in here and you can see what applications are installed and you can remove them. So all you have to do is click the little three dots and hit uninstall if you want to remove them. And the final way you can do it is through Control Panel, which is kind of the old method. So you can go to Start, go to Control Panel. Usually you're going to be brought up to this window. A lot of times what I recommend doing is going to view by categories, changing this to be large or small icons. And then you're going to see a thing that says Programs and Features. Go ahead and click on that. Give it a second here. And then once you're in here, then you can click on the program you want to uninstall, and then you should see a thing that says Uninstall at the top. You can just click on that and follow those prompts to uninstall the programs. So those are the three ways you can go about uninstalling applications on your Windows device. If you enjoyed this tech tip, feel free to throw a thumbs up. If you're interested in supporting this channel, it's totally free. You can subscribe. It really helps the channel. And click that bell icon to get notifications when new videos are posted. Thank you so much for watching.